Hey guys, now I'm going to go ahead and open up the settings app on my iPhone, and I want to show you something pretty insane. So guys, let me just go ahead and go into settings, and I'm going to go down to the general section and click on about. And as you can see, I am on iOS 14.3 build number 18C66 guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak without a computer on this new version of iOS. You need to go to the website untethered.vip. You want to substitute the O for a 0. So untethered.vip, substitute the O for a 0 guys. Head on down to this site. This is the only website guys where you can actually go ahead and jailbreak on this new version of iOS. You do not need a computer to do this guys, so you want to go to this site as you can see, and once you're there you want to press the button that says jailbreak in blue and give it a minute guys. It's going to install configuration profile, so press allow and close, then go to the settings app. You'll see the profile downloaded at the top, so you literally press on it and then you press install. Now there's another way to get to the profile. I just want to show you. You go down to general, you scroll down to where it says profile, and you should see the profile. You press on it and you just press install, and then press install one final time and then press done. Then go to your home screen and you should see the Unc0ver app on your device. This is the app we're going to use to jailbreak. So we're going to open this up and there's going to be a button that says jailbreak. So you want to press on that. It will ask you to confirm, and then it's just going to download the needed jailbreak files and resources into your device. So you just want to give it a minute here. As you can see, this is just the download installation process of the jailbreak. So give it a minute for it to go ahead and do its thing, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a minute here, as you can see. Alright, so once it is done guys, it's just going to load this like progress bar. You might be familiar with these from iOS updates. They kind of look the same, so you just want to give it a minute for it to go ahead and finish this. As you can see, I'm just going to let it do its thing, and once it is done there is a final step, so stay with me until the end of the video. So guys, once this bar loads across, there is going to be something else we need to do. So basically it is going to load up this page and you have to press continue. It says jailbreak nearly finished, and it is going to take you to a new website, and what you have to do is download 2 of the apps on this website and complete the required instructions found below each app. So download 2 of them and complete the instructions. So there's quite a few to choose from. I'm going to go with this one, State of Survival, and complete the instructions found in the content locker. So let me just redirect me to the App Store, and I'm just going to go ahead and download this app. So let me just go ahead and press download, and then I'm going to go back onto the list of apps, and I'm going to pick a second app to download. So this one is starting to download now, so I'm going to go back on the list and download a second app. So I'm going to go with this one, VPN Vault. Instructions just say install, open, and connect to the VPN. So I'm going to press tap to install. It's going to take me over to the App Store. I'm going to download the app, and now I'm just going to go to my home screen and give it a minute for both the apps to download. This shouldn't take too long. So as you can see, the VPN is downloading and the State of Survival is downloading, so I'm just going to go ahead, give it a minute for both of these to finish. The VPN is now downloaded, so I'm going to open it up and complete the requirement, which was to connect to the VPN. And basically once you complete the requirements of both the apps you chose, your device will become jailbroken. So as you can see, I have to connect to the free trial, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to stay connected to this for a little bit guys, as you can see. So it's super easy. Just make sure you're connected to it for a little bit. You can pick any of the apps to do from the list. This was just the one that I decided to go with, so I'm just going to stay connected for a little bit more. As you can see, okay, it's been 13 seconds, so now I'm going to disconnect and I'm going to go to the other app, which is State of Survival. So I'm going to let this one download here. As you can see, it's still downloading, so I'm just going to give it a minute. Alright, it's almost done. It's installing now, so all I have to do is open this, and the requirements were to play the game, just interact with it for a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do guys, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a minute for this one to load up. Yeah, so I'm just going to play through this, just give it a minute for the game to load here. Okay, and all I have to do is just play the game for a little bit. So even if the app or game you've never used before, the requirements are pretty simple, and you should be able to find a tutorial somewhere, usually in the app itself. So for instance, this one has like a cutscene and a tutorial. It's telling me where to build stuff, so this is super easy. So I'm just going to do this for a little bit more guys. As you can see, just touching around here, and then my device should become jailbroken and I can customize it. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this. As you can see, just playing around. It wants me to like do this certain tasks and stuff in the game, so I'm just going to touch around here. As you can see, claim. Okay, yeah, this is not difficult whatsoever. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, now I'm done. So what I'm going to do now guys is go back to my home screen, as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and wait and my device will restart. So don't freak out, guys. Your device will restart, but that's totally normal. That's what happens. It will initiate the jailbreak, and as you can see, it's going to load the progress bar here, similar to the one I was talking about earlier. You just want to give it a minute, and yeah, so once it's done, your device should be jailbroken. So you just want to give it a minute, and basically at the end, your device will restart here. And if you see this hello message, there was no backup or anything. It's fine. If it says like software update, as you can see, we are updated to iOS 14.3, but the jailbreak did go through, guys. I know it looks kind of like I just bought the phone with like the setup thing. Just ignore this. It will, of course, bring you back to how your device was. So let me just let this load here. As you can see, it says updating Apple ID settings. So I'm just going to play with the standard zoom, swipe up to get started. And as you can see, we're back to our device and we have Cydia. We didn't lose any data. So I'm just going to open this up to show you guys. As you can see, it's fully working in iOS 14.3. We got the Cydia build number and the iOS version, so that's super neat. So you can see I'm on 14.3. Yeah, this is fully working. You can install stuff. You get the sources, you get the changes. You can actually download and customize your device to your heart's content. So I could go over here and search for something. As you can see, if I wanted to, I could get a package. So I could search for, like, I don't know, what do I want? I could search for like a theme. So like this one, Vexablum. I could download this, just give it a minute for it to download. Normally this doesn't take too long. So yeah, I'm just going to show you a few tweaks in action just so you guys can see this is fully working. So I'm just going to let this download here. As you can see, all right, it's almost done downloading Vexablum. Yeah, so this is so cool, guys, because I didn't even need a computer to do this. It's completely computerless method. It stays on your device permanently, which is nice. So let me just let this download here. As you can see, downloading Vexablum. All right, the download is almost done, guys, as you can see. So we should be pretty good to go. All right, so now it's unpacking it. Okay, it's reloading the data, loading, and all I have to do is press return to Cydia, and we should be good to go. So yeah, so that's super neat. I got this Vexablum thing, which is nice. And as you can see, my device is now themed, which looks super neat. So yeah, guys, really hope you enjoyed my video. Be sure to share it with your friends. Get the word out about this insane site that allows you to jailbreak. And I could just open up Cydia. You can see it's fully working. All the icons are customized thanks to this cool tweak I installed. So I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.